Dark web marketplaces, how they operate and their impact. The dark web, often shrouded in mystery and associated with nefarious activities, is a hidden part of the internet that requires specific software to access. Within this clandestine network lie dark web marketplaces, platforms that facilitate the exchange of illegal goods and services, ranging from drugs and weapons to stolen data and counterfeit currencies. Understanding how these marketplaces operate and their broader impact on society is essential for grasping the complexities of modern cybercrime and digital economies. How dark web marketplaces operate. 1. Access and anonymity. Access to dark web marketplaces typically requires specialized software such as Tor, the Onion router, which anonymizes users' identities and locations by routing their internet traffic through a global network of servers. This encryption makes it extremely difficult for law enforcement and other entities to trace users' activities back to their physical locations. 2. Marketplace structure. Dark web marketplaces operate similarly to conventional e-commerce sites but with enhanced security and anonymity features. They have user accounts. Buyers and sellers create accounts, often using pseudonyms. Product listings. Items and services are listed with detailed descriptions, prices, and often images. Search and filter options. Users can search for specific items and filter results based on various criteria. Reviews and ratings. Buyers leave feedback on sellers, helping to establish reputations within the community. 3. Transactions and payments. Cryptocurrencies, particularly Bitcoin and Monero, are the primary currencies used on dark web marketplaces. These digital currencies provide a degree of anonymity and are difficult to trace. Transactions are typically processed through escrow services provided by the marketplaces, where the marketplace holds the buyer's funds until the transaction is completed satisfactorily. 4. Security measures. Both buyers and sellers employ various security measures to protect their identities and transactions. Common practices include PGP encryption. Pretty good privacy, PGP, is used for encrypting communications between buyers and sellers. VPNs, virtual private networks, VPNs, mask users' IP addresses, adding an additional layer of security. Multi-signature wallets. These wallets require multiple private keys to authorize a transaction, adding an extra layer of security for both parties. Impact of dark web marketplaces. 1. Economic impact. The economic impact of dark web marketplaces is multifaceted. Illicit economy growth. These marketplaces contribute to the growth of the illicit economy by facilitating the trade of illegal goods and services. Losses to legitimate businesses. The sale of counterfeit goods and stolen data can lead to significant financial losses for legitimate businesses. Cryptocurrency volatility. The use of cryptocurrencies in illicit transactions can influence their market value and volatility. 2. Social impact. The social implications of dark web marketplaces are profound. Public health risks. The sale of unregulated drugs poses significant health risks to users. The opioid crisis, exacerbated by online drug sales, is a stark example. Crime and violence. The trade of weapons and other illicit goods can contribute to crime and violence in the physical world. Privacy violations. The sale of stolen personal information can lead to identity theft and financial fraud, affecting countless individuals. 3. Legal and regulatory challenges. Law enforcement agencies face significant challenges in combating dark web activities. Jurisdictional issues. The global nature of the dark web complicates jurisdictional authority and cooperation between international law enforcement agencies. Technical difficulties. The anonymity and encryption technologies used on the dark web make it difficult to track and apprehend criminals. Resource allocation. Combating dark web crime requires significant resources, including specialized personnel and technology. Dark web marketplaces represent a significant and growing component of the global illicit economy. Their operation relies on advanced anonymization and encryption technologies, making them challenging to monitor and regulate. The impact of these marketplaces extends beyond the digital realm, affecting economies, societies, and legal systems worldwide. Addressing the challenges posed by dark web marketplaces requires a coordinated effort from law enforcement, regulatory bodies, and technology experts to mitigate their harmful effects and protect the integrity of both digital and physical communities. Visit the link in the description below for more information.